Welcome to the IndusViva app tutorial, an exclusive app tailor-made keeping in mind our distributors. Here are some of the app's prime features: customized lead management system, personalized engagement, easy follow-up, message prompt script in 5 different languages. More Indian languages shall soon be added so that nobody misses. Now, let's take a look at how you can navigate the app. Download the app from Play Store or App Store. Currently, the app is available in English and Hindi. Choose here which language you want to proceed with. Log in with your distributor ID and password. Make sure your phone number has been verified in the virtual office so that you can successfully log in. Click on Accept Terms and Conditions at the bottom of the screen to continue. Now click on Build My Lead Book. Allow the app to sync your phone contacts so that you can get started with building your lead book. For the app to function at its best and to build a good lead book, you have to update at least 10 contacts each day. The first detail you have to update is if a contact is a potential distributor or a potential customer. Select the first contact and choose if they are a potential customer or a distributor for you. If you think the contact is neither and cannot be pursued as a prospect, click on none of these. Fill out all the required fields to the best of your knowledge and as accurately as possible. By doing so, you are training the app to decide who is a strong prospect and how to pursue them in the best manner possible. After updating details for 10 contacts, you can choose to update more contacts. If not, click on Go to Home. You are now done with the first step, that is, building your lead book for the day. If need be, you can edit the details of your prospects at any point. One tip for smooth usage of the app is ensuring you have saved your contact under the right name. This will help you in the further steps when you will be sending app-generated messages to your prospect. Keep in mind, the app will generate the message with whatever name you have saved. The second step in making certain that the app is properly set up to meet all your prospecting needs is recording voice notes. You can send these voice notes to your prospects when you need to make first contact or follow up with them. You can do this by clicking on More and selecting Voice Notes. Whether it is for a potential distributor or customer, the app has a sample text as a prompt for you to record your voice notes. The voice notes you record can be shared to your multiple prospects. For this reason, avoid mentioning names and other details of your prospects. Next, click on Create and select a script in the language you want to record the voice note. Click on Record and allow access for the app to record. Once you have completed recording the voice note, select Stop and save the audio. You have successfully completed recording a voice note for your potential distributor or customer in one language. You can choose to record the voice note in as many languages as you want. With that, you have given your app all the information it needs to generate successful leads for you to pursue. Now sit back and let the app do its magic. On regular interval, the app will pick your top prospects and notify you. Click the notification and you will be automatically redirected to the app. Now, choose the prospect you want to make the first contact with by sending them a video link to the Parable of Pipeline. You can do this by clicking on the WhatsApp icon and choosing your prospect's contact. As simple as that. If your prospect hasn't viewed the video you shared, you will receive a notification to remind them with your voice note. This is when the voice notes you previously recorded will come in handy. If you have recorded the voice note in more than one language, choose one to send it on WhatsApp. The voice note can be shared with a text message that has been generated for you by the app. When you send the voice note for the follow-up, this text message will be automatically copied on your clipboard. You will see a pop-up saying the same. You can send this message by just pasting it into your WhatsApp text box and hitting send. In another instance, when your prospect has watched the Parable of Pipeline video, which you shared, you will receive a notification to send them a link to attend a VOP. You will receive this notification and link the evening before the VOP is scheduled. Who knew you could prospect with the click of a few buttons on your phone? Similar to a potential distributor, for a potential customer, you will be able to first share the product information with you. After the prospect has watched the video, you will receive an immediate notification to send them the store link for purchasing the product with an audio note. And just like that, you can build a new customer base. With technology reshaping every sphere of our lives, it's best if we all board the train. The Indus Viva app is a revolutionary tool for you to grow your business from your fingertips. Happy prospecting!